Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I wanted to take through the Django Web Framework by looking at an application tracking system. So mostly when people apply for jobs, thousands of people normally apply for a given job, and it is humanly impossible to go through the CVs one by one and get the best candidate. So most recruitment companies, or most companies, what they do is they have an application tracking system which scans your CV and searches for some keywords which are in the job description, and those ones which meets a given threshold are the one actually taken for a human being to actually now go through the CV. So it is always good to have a way to beat this system so that you have a chance of passing through that pipeline. So after people have applied for a job, it is taken through the application tracking system, which scans some keywords in your CV, matches it, and checks if there are some matches in the job description. If you fail to pass through that, then your CV is not even checked by a human being, just done like that. But those who pass through that one are actually the ones which the HR person normally review their CV. So this is to improve efficiency in the HR department. So in this YouTube tutorial, we are going to do a way we can develop such a system so that people can upload their CV and also a job description, and enable us to scan their CV and give them the result. So we are going to use the Django Web Framework. So it's a framework written entirely in Python. It's described itself as the web framework for perfectionists with the deadlines, meaning it is efficient for projects which you want to do very fast over weekend, and you want to do it in the best possible way. So we'll be using this framework, and one of the key libraries we are going to use for the scanning of CVs and job description is the natural language toolkit, another Python library purely written in Python. So it's a library which has tons of useful APIs for getting like keywords in a given like text, or trying to like remove some stop words if you don't want like to. You only want some keywords, but you are not interested in stop words. So we are going to use this library to do most of the heavy lifting. So if you're new to the channel, then this is the time you can hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that if you introduce a new video, then YouTube will automatically notify you. So to our subscribers, we thank you for continued support. So if I can just go through the sample application you're going to build. So I've just called him a Sim Ranger. Its main job is just to scan the CV and trying to match it with a job, trying to see if it matches with the job description. So the users will click this try free scan. It will give them this input box. They upload their CV. Let me choose mine. Then in the paste job description, let me open a simple LinkedIn job. See if I can get some job description. So let me see this. So we are searching for candidate with the following profile. So you just need to copy this and you paste it, then you submit. So it will analyze the job description and your CV and give you a CV JD match results. So yeah, your CV and job description have a match percentage of 16%. Unfortunately, you may not be a good fit for this job. You might want to consider applying for other jobs or updating your CV. So normally having a percentage, let's say 80%, is normally a good match. So that you can beat the competition. So it is either you update your CV to match the JD, the keywords in the JD, or you may not consider applying for that job. This is going to be the web app we are going to build. Just setting up that internal framework we are going to use is the Django Web Framework. So in the next video, we are going to go through how we are going to set up we are going to install the Django, then we are going to install we are going to create a new app for the Django to hold for the project. See you in the next video. Thank you.